Hey, hi beauty fam, this is Uma. You are watching Beauty Tips with Uma. Before head into the video, please subscribe to my channel and support us. Today's look, I am going to make so simple flaw look with a light smoky eye. I am sharing simple and unique trick that how to draw a smoky and foxy eye with using one single product. Let's get into the video and watch our tricks. Before doing makeup, how to pamper skin with serums, primers and oils. Here I am using BJ serum before makeup oil. This oil can make your makeup looks good, long lasting without getting dry or any cake makeup. I highly recommend this oil for dry skin. Before makeup. Check out description box for every product details, place it there. Using RIMMEL London Lasting Finish 24 Hours Beatable Long Wear Foundation in the coverage of medium for today's look. It's the best foundation for Indian Asian skins. Blending with my favorite MAC brushes, make sure to blend face, neck and ears while doing makeup. If you watch my videos, you know my secret while doing makeup. After brushing foundation or concealer, definitely I use and throw sponge blenders to remove the excess part from my face and looks flawless. Using RIMMEL London Stay Satin Liquid Concealer in the shade of Rouge to cover my dark circles underneath eye and side of the lips. Again, blending with the sponge to make sure it is cleanly blended well. Using MAC press powder in the shade of medium and pressing to my complete face wherever I applied foundation and concealer to stick and stay long lasting. Here comes the main part for smoky eye. Before that, brushing eyebrows downwards to fill the brows more strengthened. Using MAC eye pencil in the shade of brown and lining brows wherever I don't have much brows in a row. Remember that you should take an opposite color for your brows to fill. When you do that, your brows look smooth, unique without any broad and unwanted brows. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming to fight. I swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat you. Brushing well one more time to set brows in a constant place. Now, going to fill up downwards brows in the same way. You don't have to play the hero. Sometimes I like to do some beauty tricks with fingers. Here blending brows in the corner with fingers gives lots of difference for your brows. It can make a powder brusher on brows, which can look so perfect when you look up. Finally, combing up well to get that brow look in my face. Using same concealer, RIMMEL London and greasing eyelid to cover that darkness on my eyes. Blending with fingers to set in a place and equally. Using Sephora I Love palette and greasing the shade cream to the eyelid like a base coat. For today's look, no high color. Blending well to the complete eyelid to look that skin flawless. Using the gold shimmer shade from the same palette and blending to eye bone area to highlight the bone. When you do this, your eyebrows look in perfect shape and line. When you
nightmares turn to real life and the
Using smoky black shade from the same palette and greasing the water eyelid. Be careful when you do this because it's a dust, it should not hurt your eyes. Repeating the same thing to the other eye, you can look a light beige smoky look on my eye surroundings, but that's not enough to me. Greasing to my water underneath eye to look that extra perfect smoky eyes. This can also make your eyes so broad looking if you have a small eyes. And here is the trick goes. Using earbud can make your smoky look a lot difference. Let's have a look. For the bird, applying little bit of smoky black shade. Now with the shade greasing well near eyeline part. Make sure don't grease through the lid. It looks awkward only on eyeline part. When you do this, you can see a light smoky smudge on eye.
if you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do.
Now using a MAC eye pencil in the shade of black, I'm lining the inner water eyelid and also upper water eyelid to make sure my eye lines are filling with smoky. Using lash curler and curling the lashes before applying mascara. It can volume and strengthen the lashes after applying mascara. Using MAC Pro Volume Mascara in the shade of black and applying to the inner and lower lashes well clotted. Now you can see the lashes, they are high volume, strengthened and smoken well with the black shade. Using velvet bronzer and shaping my face, make a good shape to structure your face by bronzing well. Now using my favorite oval makeup brush and blending well the areas to get that perfect look. To my nose, I like to blend well with my fingers to straighten up the nose. If you want to prefer brush, then you can. Using blushing palette in the shade of grape brown and blushing my cheekbones. Using MAC lipstick in the shade of cream brown and blending the lips. For today's look, no shaping and lining the lips. Using LA Colors metallic lip shade and filling my lips. This color is so authentic and absolutely stunning. How you can look in a flawless neutral face. Using W7 Genius Hollywood Bronzer and Highlighting Palette. Using the highlighter and coating well to my face near highlighting part, cheekbones, upper eyebrows, nose, chin and upper lips. Here I go with a light beige smoky flawless look in a neutral shade. Now for the foxy eyes, so many of you love foxy eyes, isn't it? Here I show the simple trick. Using a plain earbud without any shade, now grease the corner eyeliner where you draw that wing eyeline. Just take the shade, whatever you have underneath eye, just drag it to the eyebrows. So simple and unique way to get that foxy eyes. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment below. We'll be back with a brand new video. Until then, bye bye.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend